In order to get the correct answer of this expression, we have to follow the order of operation PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first we have the parentheses, then exponent, multiplication, division, and finally addition and subtraction. Okay? Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. So in this expression, there is one parenthesis here, one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, 7 plus 3, which equals 10, minus 40, divided by 5, then times 2. Okay? In this expression, there is one subtraction here, one division, and one multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. Okay? Therefore, this division has higher priority. 40 divided by 5, which equals 8. Then 10 times 2. So in this expression also there is one subtraction and one multiplication. Therefore, this multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction according to PEMDAS. Therefore, 8 times 2, which equals to 16. Then 10 minus 16. Okay? 10 minus 16 is just negative 6. Okay? Therefore, this is the final answer of this problem. The correct answer of this problem equals to negative 6.